Close the door, leave the noise behind, and step into a space designed to slow your breathing and quiet your mind. Today, we're exploring how thoughtful design can transform an ordinary room into a deeply restorative experience. This is not just about appearance. It's about atmosphere, comfort, and the subtle details that shape how we feel every day. Imagine warm stone surfaces gently radiating heat, soft light shifting through calming tones, and textures that invite you to pause and reconnect with yourself. When light, temperature, and material work together, a room becomes more than functional. It becomes immersive. The goal is to create a sense of balance, soothing without feeling cold, luxurious without feeling overwhelming, modern while still grounded in natural elements. One of the most powerful tools in wellness design is lighting. Color has a remarkable effect on mood, energy, and relaxation. Deep blues and indigo tones can encourage calm and introspection, while warmer hues can create comfort and reassurance. The beauty of programmable lighting is that the atmosphere can evolve with the moment. Gentle and restorative in the evening, brighter and more energizing in the morning. Instead of a single harsh light source, layered illumination creates depth, softness, and emotional warmth. Texture matters just as much as color. Natural stone, matte finishes, raw surfaces, and organic materials bring a sense of authenticity that polished spaces sometimes lack. Heated stone walls add another dimension entirely, tactile comfort. The warmth is subtle, silent, and enveloping, turning simple routines into moments of relaxation. It echoes ancient thermal traditions while feeling distinctly contemporary. Sound and movement also play a role. Quiet ventilation, soft echoes, and the presence of water can make a space feel calm without demanding attention. Minimal clutter allows the senses to focus on what truly matters: warmth, light, texture, and stillness. A well-designed wellness space doesn't try to impress you all at once. It unfolds gradually, inviting you to slow down. This approach to design is ultimately about intention. Every element should support how you want to feel: restored, grounded, and at ease. Whether the space is large or small, the principles remain the same. Prioritize comfort, use natural materials, layer light thoughtfully, introduce warmth through texture and temperature, and create an environment that encourages a pause in the middle of a busy day. As more people rethink the role of home, wellness-focused interiors are becoming less of a luxury and more of a meaningful investment in daily life. A calming environment can improve routines, reduce stress, and turn ordinary moments into rituals of care. Thank you for joining Haven and Green. If you enjoy thoughtful design inspiration, calming interiors, and ideas that blend luxury with well-being, be sure to subscribe and continue exploring with us. Until next time, take a breath, slow down, and create spaces that help you feel your best.